Hi guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. Here 1 plus 2 is 3. Here 21 divided by 7 times this 3. Now 21 divided by 7 times 3 is 21. Now 21 divided by 21 is 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication and divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right order for this multiplication division, also this addition and subtraction in the problem. Now we'll do this problem in correct way by using this order of operation. Here we want to complete this bracket first. So 21 divided by 7 times this 3. Here division and multiplications both are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right order. So left to right is 21 divided by 7 is 3 times this 3. Now 3 times 3 is 9. This is the correct answer.